What's going on, everybody? My name is Jared Gortzman with the Boga Hunting Podcast, and we're out here doing a little coyote hunting. I've never gone before, so this is kind of a perfect opportunity to get out there. We've got Bobby here helping us out. We're about to go to a new property, and for somebody who's never really experienced coyote hunting before, what are you really looking for when you're going to this kind of property?
And I'll get the app out from HuntWise, and I'll look at it, and I'll see, okay, there's a resident here, there's a resident there, and then just kind of, mark my way out from there.
Sure. So safety being number one. Are you looking for like marshy areas? Are you looking to set up on like tree lines? So again, coming from someone who's never done this.
Yeah, tree lines, marshes, those all are very important. After you pick out the terrain, then the wind is a huge thing. Wind is always, because that's what the coyote lives by, is the wind and sight. So when you get to call going, they're going to come downwind of that call. So you have to kind of play the wind like you do deer season. However, it's in reverse. I mean, you're looking down, down your scent plume, your scent line, because that's where that dog's going to come up.
Okay.